Now, I would like to hear what's your take on the value of silence, and is there
silence?
Silence? Is there a place for it in your 24/7, 365 life?
No. But that's good. This is important for everybody. It's amazing that you're self-aware and you know your hardwiring that silence is important to you. The thing that I fear as I grow in popularity is that people try to emulate me. And the reason I continue to put out, now, I want to talk about what I think is the way I do it so people can use me as a blueprint for themselves. But the reason every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I'll say something that throws them off is I want to remind them that I'm just one human being and this is what works for me. I'm the reverse. Something that, I'm sure D-Rock's laughing right now. There's times when we walk into the office and it's quiet because everybody's on headphones and trying to be respectful, and it freaks me out. I need volume. Like I need the light to see your faces. I need the stimulation. I suffocate in silence. Of course, when I'm exhausted, these guys picked me up last night. We flew from New York to Ireland, 1 hour nap, all day Ireland flight. They picked me up. I had to get mentally ready. I wanted to catch up with him, but I was kind of like, I needed a little bit of silence. Sometimes I need it, but 99% of the time, when I'm awake, I need action. And so, but you have to understand, and I think we're gonna connect on this, I'm only comfortable and at peace in the chaos.
Yeah.
When I get silence, I get sad, I get anxious. It's not interesting to me. So I think the key here is to just know yourself and not try to